Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. My name is Ann, and what we do here is a lot of different makeup related videos. We do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, makeup looks, makeup unboxings, pretty much anything that's related to makeup, beauty, we talk about. And today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this one is for the September Ipsy Glam Bag. So Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. They do have like 3 different subscriptions you can choose from, which is this one right here, and it is $12 a month. You get a cute little bag. You get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes you will get a full size product, like a lipstick, liner, or something like that. And then they have the Ipsy Plus, $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products and a medium bag. And then, lastly, they do have the Ipsy Ultimate. It is 12 products in total. 8 of them are full-size. 4 are deluxe size samples, and you get a large makeup bag. Now, that one is $50 a month. So, you have your variety to choose from. And I've been with Ipsy for a while. They used to be like $10 a bag, and then like a little, I guess the first of the year they changed. And I really like them. It's like yellow on this side and like a reddish over here. And here it is. So you get really good quality bags. This is like a corduroy material. So the bags you get are good qualities. You can reuse them. So I do like that. I like to throw sometimes a little one in my purse. Maybe like throw my change or something in. Sometimes I use the bigger ones when I'm packing a big purse. And but I really like the bags. They come in handy for so much. Look. My cat wants to be right with me today. Okay. Good Vibes is the theme this month. And your little card tell you what you get. And the good thing about Ipsy is you do get to pick one item. In this one, now on the Ipsy Plus, you do get to pick 3 of your items on like, I can't remember if it's like the first or second. And then on the Ipsy Ultimate, you do pick 1. For now. I don't know if they're going to change that, or we can pick more on the Ultimate, which would make more choice. I mean, I don't know, I think better ideal for me. Okay, so our first item is Juliet Has a Gun. Muse Invisible. This is a perfume. I've got got one other fragrance or 2. So, no, kitty. This is like a pretty good size bottle of perfume. This will probably, where I got so many of these, they will last forever. Give it a few minutes. I always like to let my perfume settle down before, you know, like, I really smell it, because the smell can change. Okay. My cat doesn't want to let me have my hands. Okay, so the Porefessional, this is by Benefit. This has got 3.0 milliliters, which is 0.1 flow ounce. Now, this is one of my favorite primers. This one is their hydrating primer. I like their pore primer. I think their primers work really, really good. So, let me see if I got like a big one open of this. I don't think I do. Yes, I didn't put the lid back on yet, but. So, right here it is. It does such a good job. I mean, it covers pores like, I don't know, for me, it covers pores better than anything. Okay, then our next item is an eyeshadow. And let me see. Okay. Then this is by Maelle. Maelle. This is their pink diamond. Okay, kitty. Now he's going to get mad and bite me in a minute. Have you guys ever noticed about cats? If you don't do what they want, they will bite you. Or they trick you and then bite you. That is really pretty. So that is an eyeshadow, but you could use that as a highlighter too. Like, I don't need no more, but... I like it. It looks really good. You can use it eyeshadow. It is an eyeshadow, but use it as a highlighter, eyeshadow, whatever you want to use it for. Okay. This is the Big Ego by Tarte. A really, really good mascara. The one is made like the Too Faced Better Than Sex, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It is a really, really good mascara. I actually already have it, and it is really good, but mine is dried out, so glad to get this. Okay, we are already on our last product. Come on, kitty. Hey, honey. Trick or Treat. This is a CC2 active moisturizing cream with honey and propolis. This is light to medium tone. And it is 10 milliliters, which is 0.34 flow ounces. Now, I've not ever used like a CC cream by Hey Honey. I have used like, their face mask, some of their stuff like that. Okay, so right here it is. I think that will work for me. Especially on like, and if it, because it ain't really, because it's a CC cream. So, I mean, it's got, you know, make your skin look better without all the makeup. Like today, I got up and started my makeup up like 5 o'clock this morning because I had a couple of videos I wanted to film, and then I've got other things I got to do today. So today I wanted to look like I put a good effort in it without actually having to put a good effort in it. So I just threw some like pink, it's like everywhere, and then I just threw some Acetate London shimmer like right over all of the lid, and I just popped in a light pink right here and just purple. So I didn't really put a big effort into my eyeshadow, but I wanted it to look really good. And some days, you know, we just want like maybe just a little bit of makeup, and other days we want like a lot of makeup. So they did tell us what we got on our card, but you can see this in the app too. And in the app, they will give you like ways to use it and where to buy it, how much it costs this, and stuff like that. And, you know, the different ways to use it, like the eyeshadow. Like you can use it for eyeshadows, highlighter, or anything like that. And in the app, they will like go over stuff like that and give you ideas, maybe like even different looks you can do with it. No. But if you guys want to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below. My cat just tried to bite me because he's getting mad because I'm not paying attention to him. I took him out of here before I started filming, but he came right back because he wants to be the center of attention all the time. But I think that's a cat thing. Until they want left alone, and then they want left alone, and they're really mad. But I will leave the link down below. To rate my Ipsy bag this month, I will like give it like a 4.5 out of 5. I do really like it. But if I'm not mistaken, they've already sent that in my Ipsy Glam bag, regular bag. I do believe they've already sent that to me once. So I'm going to, like, take a half point off for that. The rest of the stuff I really do like. I do like the Hey Honey. I'm interested in trying that because I've only ever used it for skincare, not like... But I guess it's supposed to have, like, for days you want to sleep in, the CC cream is a one-step wonder for even glowy skin. Swap your go-to foundation for a skin smoothing formula. It helps calm rosacea, redness, and irritation using honey and propolis, Propolis, both packed with skin healing anti-inflammatory benefits. Tip: place a few drops onto your forehead. Use nose, cheek, and chin, and blend in well, which we know that. So I'm very interested in trying that because that's like, you know, like a, not really a foundation, but a CC cream that's actually like good for your skin and that's supposed to help it. So I am very interested in that. And I love the Porefessional's primers, so they are like my favorite. So I love getting them. And even though I've already got the Big Ego, mine is almost out. But I don't know. To me, everybody raved about it. But everybody raved about Better Than Sex too. But everybody's got different eyelashes. Everybody's got like different needs. My eyelashes are very, I don't know. I'm redheaded. And so my hair's like, I don't know. My lashes are blonde, so you can't see them. And even when I'm putting mascara on, it doesn't, a lot of mascaras don't get them where I want them. So 9 times out of 10, I do wear lashes because I just like the way they look. But I don't know. I didn't think the Better Than Sex or the Big Ego. I did like the Lash Paradise. The formula really like popped my eyes out. But I didn't really find it all like I was going to like really needed it. Because I've had better. The Thrive Cosmetics mascara to me is like one of my favorites. No kitty. He's trying to rub up against the tripod now. But that's like one of my favorites. And I've got a few more, but I don't know. I think the Thrive Cosmetics like really bring my lashes out. But like I said, we all have like different needs, different everything. So the mascara that works for you might not work for me. But I'm going to try that because I always thought mine was dried out from the get-go. So maybe I'll try this one and I'll like it a whole lot better. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.